Engineering Design Lab is a multidisciplinary engineering consultancy that works on a wide range of different complex technical projects.
Essentially, I would say we're professional problem solvers.
We do a lot of work with kind of sustainable mobility, last mile delivery, so focusing on those kind of small electric vehicles that can get around urban areas quickly.
Prototyping is really critical for us to get into early, especially when we're designing something unconventional, which is pretty often here at Engineering Design Lab. We tend to take on the more unconventional projects.
One of the really interesting things about Engineering Design Lab is that we can approach a project and meaningfully help at any stage, from the initial idea to the end of development or even partway through commercial deployment.
We've come online with very early stage clients who wanted us to brainstorm with them and figure out how to define the limits of the project. And we've also come along with clients who already knew what they wanted. Maybe they even already had a product out there, and we just helped them do some testing, some validation, and some debugging and iteration.
One of the lessons you learn as a multidisciplinary design engineer working on these complex projects is that very rarely, even with the most skilled engineers and the best planning and every resource you could throw at a project, very rarely does everything work exactly as planned when you put it all together.
People come to us looking to get different engineering expertise in areas that they may not have in-house, or to quickly ramp up the size of their team.
Anything from large government institutions such as Ontario Power Generation or the Department of National Defence to smaller companies trying to build, say, a new type of electric vehicle and who have never done that before. And so we're basically a set of experienced hands that can come in, help them do that project, help them get to market faster and build the best possible EV.
What really makes Engineering Design Lab unique is we're developing the toolbox and the skill sets necessary to make any small electric vehicle.
Instead of going to 5 different consulting companies to solve specific problems, we can tackle all the different aspects of it right here. And that's what makes us like the Avengers of engineering.